Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my dark skin, melanated girl friendly everyday makeup look. So the first thing you want to do is get your face nice, moisturized and primed up. I'm using this NYX primer, and then next I'm going directly in with my contour stick from Fenty in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to contour the places that I would like to chisel out or make look smaller. One small step that you can do to really ensure that your makeup comes out as best as possible is to really pat the makeup in. You don't want to drag, because when you drag your makeup in or down or whatever, it really looks runny. But you want to pat it in, you want to pat it into your skin, and that will make a world of a difference. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Chestnut. This concealer, y'all, this is my favorite concealer of all time, babes. And then, what? This is my favorite one. I'm probably gonna make my casket with this one. And then, next I'm going in with my blush. I'm using this cream blush from Vanessa Myricks. It's so pretty, and I typically just do it at the corner of my eyes because I don't want my blush to be super intense on an everyday basis. And then I'm just going in with those triangular puffer pads. I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. Another pro tip I find really helpful is when you let your concealer really settle down and dry, because it's really going to give you the most coverage possible. And that concealer, babe, she's full coverage. She's not going no damn where. Literally, nowhere. If you start blending as soon as you apply the concealer, it's literally going to spread all over your face, and wherever you're blending with is going to absorb most of the product. And then now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. On a day-to-day basis, I typically stay away from full coverage or liquid foundations. I just don't need all of that when I'm trying to get through the day. No one wants to feel like they have 10 pounds of product on their face. And I guess to some, this may seem like a lot of makeup, but for the girls who really do makeup, this ain't nothing. It's a light beat. I'm setting now with this Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. This is one of my favorites. I think for it to be a drugstore brand, it honestly works so freaking well, and it goes really well with my complexion. I'm taking this Benefit Hoola bronzer in the deepest shade. I'm just gonna bronze out my face, and I also use it as a contour just to warm up my contour a little bit more. I like to look like no matter what time of year I just got off the freaking beach and the sun just been kissing on me all day. With the same bronzer, I'm just going to go in and warm my eyelids. This is one of my favorite steps. It's very small, but it really brings that look together and makes your whole makeup look cohesive. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite mascara. This is the MAC Stack mascara from MAC. Whew, child, I love this mascara. I literally have no lashes, so this mascara saved me many nights, okay? Love this mascara down. I think if you have really curly lashes like I do, this is also a good buy for you to purchase. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I actually shave my eyebrows off, so I'm using this NYX. I think it's a NYX brow pencil, and I'm going in with my MAC Chestnut. Wait, is it called Chestnut? Yeah, MAC Chestnut lip liner, babes. If you're a black girl, you already know what's up. What? MAC Chestnut is unbeatable. I don't care what y'all say. I don't care what brand comes. MAC. No one's beating MAC when it comes to the Chestnut lip liner. No one. Next, I'm going in with a nude lipstick. I'm not sure what the color is or the brand is. I got this from TJ Maxx on sale, but I like it. It's cool. And I hate the way I apply lip products. I literally apply lip products like those little kids with the jumbo crayons and just scribbling all over the place. But as you can see, I'm using this Fenty gloss, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all those colors together. Taking my Makeup Revolution setting spray, and from here I'm done. I'm just gonna let that setting spray really set in, and that will be the look. I hope that y'all really like this makeup look. I hope that you like this makeup video, and leave some hearts on the bottom. Oh look guys, I got a tattoo. You've already seen it in the video. Yeah, it's 555 because life is about change, and I'm changing.
Please like, comment, subscribe. You know, push this out. Your girl is trying to get out of 9 to 5. Me don't want to work in a 9 to 5 no more. Okay, me don't want to do it. Okay, I don't want to do it anymore.